Hi friends, welcome to my channel. And this is the series of SQL videos, and today's the topic is about SQL commands and what are the types of SQL commands. Okay, so guys, before going to proceed, please subscribe my channel and share this knowledge. And I hope this series of SQL commands it will be helpful for freshers and as well as experienced persons also. So guys, now let's go about the topic. So SQL commands are used to perform a variety of tasks such as creation and modifying database, tables and index, inserting and updating and deleting data, and coding the data. So it means guys, you want to do some operations, right? Or you want to create a table, or you want to manipulation on the data inside the database for the tables, right? So you can use these types of commands, guys. Okay. Now, first one is DDL. Okay, data definition language. It is used to create, modify, and delete databases, tables, and index. Okay, DDL guys mostly used for like for example, whenever you got the requirement, you want to create some table, right? You want to maintain the data in the table, right? So you have to create that table as well. If you want to create some database for the particular tables, right? You can utilize with help of create. Okay, create database name, or create table name. I will like upcoming section. I will show the syntax with example. Okay. Now, second one is alter. Suppose if you want to modify, like you want to modify the table, right? For example, you want to add the column or remove the column. You can use the alter, guys. Drop means if you want to remove the table from the database, right? You can use this one drop table option. Okay. But guys, in real time, and mostly the creation, alter, drop, like for example, for a ETL developer, mostly they will use the scenarios by writing some scripting in the store procedures as well as like by writing some SQL statement. But if you're going for analytic peoples, those who are working, right, then most rarely they are using this statement, guys. Okay. Now, second topic is DML. Okay, what is DML? Data manipulation language commands are used to insert, update, and delete data and table. It is mostly done the operations in the like if you want to manipulation the data. Suppose if you want to like inserting some data, some values for the column sets. So if you want to update that particular column or you want to delete the data from the table, right? Mostly we are using these options. Okay, DML like mostly general scenarios we are using. If you want to update the transaction or if you want to delete the data from the tables, you want to delete certain records, right? Based on the conditions with help of variables. So we can use with help of DML. Now DQL is nothing but used to retrieve a data from a table. For example, DQL statements are select, where, order by, group by, and having clause. Okay. And guys, this is mostly scenarios like frequently normal SQL developer, data engineer, analytic people, where you write these statements as well as data warehouse peoples also. So where we have to apply some SQL commands in order to fetch the data. You want to apply some filters. You want to do some aggregations, right? You want to do sorting and you want to do some sorting with help of order by. With help of group by, you have to apply some aggregation operations, right? Or you want to apply group by some having class with. It like having class with help of some applying some filters, right? Those kind of scenarios we are normally using. This is DQA. Now coming about DCL. DCL is nothing but guys which is used to manage sorry, I want to tell you about DCL, right? Sorry. DCL is nothing but commands are used to grant and revoke permission to database objects. Simple, guys. For example, you have table, you have database, and you want to give the particular permission to the particular user. So you can apply the grant. Okay, the particular user can utilize this database and as well as table. Revoke means after completion of work, after you don't want to provide the access to the particular, you want to remove the access, right? So you can do such kind of three scenarios with help of revoke command grant. Okay. So this is about major thing for the DDL, DML, DQL, DCL. And last one is TCL, guys. So guys, transaction control language commands are used to manage transaction which are group of SQL statement that are executed as a single. Okay, suppose guys, you want to commit certain on certain database, I mean certain table, right? Right, you can commit that database. I mean, you commit the table, or you want to roll back. Okay, certain suppose you have done something, right? You want to roll back, right? Those kind of scenarios we are using. And uh, about the save point is like, guys, for example, if you have certain scenarios where mostly that after doing some operations in the SQL level, okay, like save point is a marker with a transaction that allow all commands that are executed after it was established to roll back. Okay, save points are useful when you need to roll back a specific point a transaction. It means that you want to roll back specific point in a transaction without having a roll back the entire transaction. So for example, guys, if you are updating the large table data and you make a mistake, you can use save point to roll back state of the table before starting the update. So this kind of scenarios we can utilize for the commit, rollback, and save point, guys. So guys, this is a major things of 5 types of SQL command. Okay, please remember this, and this question will be asked for the mostly for the freshers, guys. Okay. And now the next topic is, so guys, this is about like common SQL commands. See, this is general day-to-day activities normally we are using. Okay, in data warehouse or data engineers and analytics people, mostly they are using these are the statements. Okay, I'm just giving thorough, I mean, overview uh, for the common SQL commands, guys. Create table, create a new table in the database, insert a new data into table, update mean updating the existing data in the table. Okay, delete mean delete data from a table. Guys, normally only create will be applicable on the database, or rest of are mostly used for the on the table only. Okay, so if you see the insert, update, delete, select, where, order by, limit, all are like applicable on the table. So mostly, please remember these are the common SQL commands which will mostly helpful for the real-time world. So you have to remember this major 7 commands which are generally basic level, which will helpful for the freshers and as well as experience for day-to-day for small scenarios, guys. Okay, so I will cover next more SQL commands by each topic. Okay, like DDL, DML, TCL. Okay, I will cover all these things, DQL also. So no need to worry, guys. And this is about this what is SQL command, how many types of SQL command. Please, guys, subscribe my channel. Thank you.